All right, so this is 4.3, this is common functions, and we want you to be able to identify what the parent function of these graphs look like. So hopefully you can see this function and you know that it's going to be linear. It is negative, so instead of going up from left to right, it's going to be going down. However, you can graph these functions and get a general idea and still be able to pick them out if you couldn't pick them out just based on the equations. But we want you to be able to do it based on the equations. If not, you have a graphing calculator. Just go to y equal, and I'm going to type in -5, and you have to use the button below the number 3 for negative. Do not use minus, it will compute incorrectly. -5, and then you put your variable on top, x, and then divide it by 6. And then if you hit the graph button, okay, it just gives you a general linear equation. So this is the one that matches. It's a linear equation. That's what we want you to be able to pick out. And then they want you to plot some ordered pairs. Now, it just says find 2 points other than the origin. Okay, so you can see from this graph it goes through 0, 0. So once you graph it, I think they want integer or simplified fraction. You can round to 4 decimal places, so you have very many options. If you graph it, just hit the second button and then the graph button, and it will show you a table of values. And it wants you to use any numbers except for the origin, which is 0, 0. So from here, I can just pick any 2 ordered pairs. So let's say 3 and -2.5. So I'll put 3 and -2.5. And you can get these by just plugging in the number x and finding the y value. And then I will pick another one, let's just say 6 and -5. And it doesn't matter which one you pick, just so long as you get 2 points that are on the graph. And any 2 will work, any 2 that you pick.